Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to quickly dive into how to create goals on Asana, your comprehensive guide for 2025. Now, the first step is to navigate to the Goals page on Asana. You can do that by clicking on the Goals icon on the left sidebar of your Asana dashboard. This brings us to the page where we can start setting our goals. The reason we do this is because Asana's Goals feature allows us to set clear and trackable objectives that align with our project's vision. Now that we're on the Goals page, the next step is to click on the Add a Goal button. This helps us because it opens up a dialog box where we can start defining our goal. Once the dialog box is open, you'll want to fill in the necessary details for your goal. This includes the goal name, the owner, the team it's associated with, and the time frame for completion. Let me explain why this matters. Defining these aspects of your goal helps to ensure clarity and accountability within your team. It also allows Asana to provide you with a progress tracking system tailored to your specific goal. After filling in the details, you'll notice a section labeled Key Results. Here, you can add measurable results that indicate the success of your goal. This might include things like increase website traffic by 50% or reduce production costs by 20%. The reason we do this is because key results let us quantify our progress, making it easier to track and understand. Once you've added your key results, click on the Create Goal button to finalize it. And there you have it. You've just created a goal on Asana. This is helpful as it allows you to start tracking your progress towards your goal immediately. In conclusion, Asana's Goals feature is a powerful tool that helps teams set, track, and achieve their objectives. By following these simple steps, you can start leveraging this tool to keep your projects aligned and on track. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, setting clear, measurable goals is a key aspect of successful project management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.